Should be working now.
I received the manual before Friday.
It's definitely easier.
Still feels weird.
I almost feel like I got to use my heels.
Right. We need to lengthen the pedal, stand it up more, and then lengthen everything. You just right. Lengthen this, lengthen it, and stand it up.
Put some little something under my heel so
Yeah.
you need to be able to.
You don't want your foot to float.
That was taking how many turns of base out of it?
All of it except the half.
Change this all the way up, half turn base.
Yep. Because we're not going to need much. 3 7.5-inch discs.
Yeah. All right, they're spraying a little bit.
Got our buddy Jay's Civic in here. He's been doing really good. He's like, I think top 3 or 4 in a sport class at PSCA. Can't get the car to make more boost, so went ahead, found a leak at the wastegate, pulled the wastegate apart, put some more springs in it. So now we turned all the boost control down. See what it can do now.
First pull is 570 horsepower. So Kyle and I were working on Sho'nuff. My buddy Jay just brought his car down, do some pulls, fix the wastegate, and see what kind of power it can make. So I believe that's all the way down on the spring. Let's find out real quick. Is that on the spring?
Yeah, that's on the spring.
Okay.
So it's 17 pounds. Used to we had like a...
Well, it was supposed to be 18, but pretty good guess.
Close enough here.
Yeah, it's cool.
It made like 7 pounds on the spring before. So.
Yeah, it was really light spring.
And it is
I can push it up with my fingers, so.
It is a 3-port, so more spring is going to help us a lot.
What do you think, Kyle?
Much anywhere yet there.
Did you get out early?
Yeah, it wasn't making much more boost, so.
What do you think, Javi?
That's one of the guy I helped with some stuff. So.
Yeah.
See this car.
We're at like 45% duty now.
All right. There we go. $672.
That was 23 pounds.
Not bad.
Cycle is 61, so we're still good.
730.
It was 28, and then it fell to 25.
Made more power in the 25 area.
Yeah.
Weird. All right, so he's ready to make another rip. Let's see how it does.
All right, a little more boost control. Gave us some timing in the middle.
$772.
So I left the boost the same at the front, and I just fed it after 7,500.
Yeah, I was chunking the tire pretty good.
It was like 29 pounds at the end. I saw 30 pounds for a second.
Where's the 40?
So like 10 more pounds of boost.
25 more pounds of boost. 25 more pounds.
Don't do anything even like that.
Life starts at 40.
Fucking 20? Yeah, you have 22, you need like, yeah, 42 is
I like 50, 55.
Yeah.
60.
I like my transmission, but
Just changing the transmissions, he dropped 0.20 and he dropped like 5 miles per hour, but Jamie tried to change the tune and he was out of duty cycle in the
On the boost controller, I wouldn't make anymore.
so we just drove whatever they gave us. We just drove it to whatever we could get.
So we should be.
Well, if you don't get there now, then you just spray it.
It's never made this boost before. The track or anything, it's never made this boost yet. And I just gave it another 10% just to make sure it'll go more.
So you know if he goes to.
Oh, it'll go faster. He can drive. He does everything you tell him to. So.
Spray it. Spray it all.
He load good,
Oh yeah.
so I think so. He need access.
I need
Yes.
access. I need access back.
And I want to work with some stuff, but without axle,
Yeah. All you're gonna do is start breaking them.
we can. He made 160 on the 60, but if we try to drop that, you know what's going to happen with this 9 seconds car with Autosun, O'Reilly or
Riley.
he has like how many? 25?
Probably 25 passes.
25 on the same axle.
Well, the ones before Shane broke it have a lot of passes on it.
Oh, they do.
They were in my car for 3 years before it went into Shane's car.
And it broke first hit.
One hit.
Yeah. And keep in mind, 3 years ago.
And he was trying to slide the clutch. That's why it was on the two-step while he drove out.
Don't.
Well, that's what he was trying. That's why if you listen to the video, it's still on the two-step pulling out because he's sliding the clutch.
Yeah.
And the two-step won't let go unless your foot's totally off. If it just barely touches the clutch, it's on two-step.
Too high.
Too high.
From the other.
900 or junk it.
I don't think this turbo's got that.
Listen to what that man says. If he says that's good, then it's good.
Just need more boost. Turn it up.
That's it. More power.
Turn it up.
Just hit the button. All right, turn the boost up. Let's go.
Hopefully the last change here.
What we got?
791.
791. So close. So close. Are you just putting boost on the end or something?
No, I gave it all that time.
'Cause it's got that weird step. So
No, I know. That's what I don't even see that step here.
He said 800 or junk it.
800 or junk it.
900, I thought.
I heard. That's pretty good though.
We might get close to
Do you got a mid mount on this one?
It goes from the front traction bar?
Yeah,
All
all the
the
way
way
back.
to the rear.
Just checking.
Yeah.
I saw this mount not here and I was like,
Yeah,
I should ask.
We're not doing that again. It ain't good through. It's awesome.
That should run 9s.
Yeah. It ought to. Oh, it was already running.
Allegedly. What have you been building over here?
The chocolate with like.
Just making it all fit. I like your hat. Nice race fuel. Ignite race fuel.
Yeah.
These guys are awesome.
Yeah, the rainstorm just started coming down.
Whew.
I got a puzzle.
That's alright. Cool deal. Oh yeah. Yeah, you go, Goof.
Yeah.
Work on some fiberglass work.
Yeah.
That's gonna be sweet. Yeah, I like it. You got your transfer case fixed? For those that haven't watched his video, he totally broke the shaft in half.
Yeah.
You got the shaft laying around?
Should, yeah, my toolbox.
But that's why it was breaking all the axles front wheel drive as well. Trying to tug everything around. Yeah, and the end of this is a piece and it broke off, so that's the Goof problem. There's your stub.
Yeah.
Dang.
See,
and that's all on your channel
twist
too.
once too, because it is all twisted before it's sheared.
Oh yeah, well that's twist to shear, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Yep.
it's all fixed a new shaft in there and everything's taken care of.
Yeah.
New axle on both
We just
sides.
need to get a damper
'cause I
on this
ripped
thing.
Boots. I cleared the block more, so the oil boot's not going to rip this time. So it's got a new axle on both sides, new boots and stuff. Everything's taken care of up here.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I need to get some clips on that axle boots in the rear because they're slinging a little bit of grease. But
It's coming together good. We'll see Goof out soon.
All right. Went ahead and cooled the car way down. Didn't really make any changes on this one. See what it does cooled way off.
Hell yeah. 805 horsepower. She was picked up there.
32 pounds and it fell to like 31.5 at the end.
And that's all the boost that it'll make?
I'm at like 80%.
I see.
80%.
I didn't see it.
Boom, boom, boom. All right, we got Jay's all tuned up, made 805 horsepower. Pretty stoked about that. We've got our PSCA race coming up next weekend, 27th, 28th, 29th. Jay's car will be one of the ones there, running the sport class, I believe. And this time in qualifying, we're gonna try to actually finish the last race we did, because we didn't get to finish eliminations. So in qualifying, we're gonna get all the guys paired up, it sounds like.
So Friday is gonna just be a regular qualifier. We're doing one Friday night. Saturday, the next round of the rain out race, we'll line the guys up, and then everybody that's out will just make a qualifier behind it. So it'll count as your
Qualifying pass.
qualifying and your
Eliminations from the last race. So we got that to look forward to. So that'll be pretty cool. And
So
we can
nobody's-
finish that event.
Yeah, and nobody's making extra passes.
Yep, we can finish that event, and yeah, no one has to make any extra passes. But we made good progress on Sho'nuff. Javi's already getting warmed up, getting ready to drive. Hold on, Poppy.
You're supposed to get that before you get in the car.
All right, there you go, Poppy. So we got to kind of work on that. We're gonna work on that clutch pedal, because if you can push that thing now, try to push it. Woo! This is kind of a little too serious, huh? Yeah. So we're gonna try to probably change the pedal up a little bit, so we got a little more leverage on it. And
For my size.
get it done. Yeah. Well, I built it so you could drive, bro. But I think that's gonna do it. So PSCA is coming up. Super excited about that. I want to test before the end of the year. I want to get some passes on it. I want to get stuff figured out. So keep working hard on that. And I've also got an EPA update for you guys coming up soon too. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. We have a little conference with the EPA on Monday. So looking forward to that too. So appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe. See you guys all tomorrow. There you go. Nice. 179 and 149
mile an hour, not too shabby.